Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue when you're not receiving your Amazon app two-step verification code. This can be frustrating when you're locked out of your account, but don't worry, we'll walk through several solutions to get you back in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. Then select Account from the drop-down. This will take you to your account settings where we can manage all your security features. Next, click on Login and Security. This section houses all your authentication settings and is where we'll troubleshoot the two-step verification issue. You may be prompted to enter your current password at this point for security purposes. If so, type it in and click Continue to proceed. Now, under the two-step verification section, sometimes also labeled as two-step verification, click on Edit or Advanced Security Settings depending on what you see on your screen. This opens up the detailed settings for your two-factor authentication method. Here's where we start diagnosing the problem. First, verify if your phone number is correct. If the number listed is outdated or incorrect, that's likely why you're not receiving codes. Click Change Phone Number and update it to your current active number. This is a common culprit for missing verification codes. Even if your number is correct, connectivity can be an issue. Ensure you have a good cell signal or Wi-Fi connection, as weak signals can delay or prevent SMS delivery. Once you've confirmed your connection is stable, request a new code by clicking Didn't receive the OTP ? Or Send New Code. Give it a minute or two to arrive. While you're waiting, check your phone's spam folder, blocked messages, or your general text messages folder. Sometimes verification codes get filtered incorrectly by your phone's messaging system, so it's worth a thorough look through all these locations. If no SMS arrives after a reasonable wait, it's time to switch methods. Select Authentication app as your verification method instead of SMS. This is often more reliable than text messages. You'll need to install either Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. Both are free and available in your App Store. Once you've installed the Authenticator app, click Get Started or Next on the Amazon screen to display a QR code. This QR code links your Amazon account to the Authenticator app. Open your Authenticator app, tap the plus sign to add a new account, and scan Amazon's QR code with your phone's camera. The app will immediately generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this 6-digit code into Amazon's verification field and click Verify Code and Continue. This confirms the connection between your account and the Authenticator app. Finally, you'll see an option that says Got it, I'm an advanced user. Click this to save backup codes securely. These backup codes are crucial as they can get you into your account if you ever lose access to your phone or the Authenticator app. And there you have it. You've successfully resolved the two-step verification issue and secured your Amazon account with a more reliable authentication method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.